Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on Bite of Geek. Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on this rather heavy security system from Arlo. So let's get into it. So if you're a regular on the channel, you'll have seen that a short while ago I actually reviewed the Arlo Essential Spotlight camera system, and there's a link up above for both of those videos if you want to go and watch those, the unboxing and a general review of them. You know, that's a completely different system to what I'm going to go through today. This is probably more of a premium product from Arlo in their range, and certainly it's got the price to go with that as well. So currently this 3-camera system on Amazon is retailing for approximately £750. So not a cheap camera system if you're looking at getting some kind of home security in place. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to get inside the box and show you what you get for that £750 and give you my first thoughts on it really. So let's get it open. Okay guys, so this is the Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera system. As I say, this is probably considered a premium camera system within Arlo's range, and it's the 3-camera pack, and it's 4K with HDR. That should be a significant improvement in the picture quality over the Essential cameras, but you know, at some point in a future video I will do a video test on that and you'll be able to see the differences. Basically, you can see some of the points on the front there: ultra wide field of view, weather resistant, premium 2-way audio, color night vision, and integrated spotlight. So lots of similar features between this and the Essential system. I must, you know, it is a super heavy box this, so interesting to see what they've got inside. You know, as I say, 4K. I think one of the things that you get that's an advantage on this over the Essential system is the better zooming in, or the level of zoom that you can actually do on this. So again, another thing that, you know, depending upon what your security needs are, might actually be worth having to pay out the extra for this. Magnetic charging, so yeah, we'll see what that's all about. Built-in smart Siren, same kind of stuff as the Essential stuff. Spotlight camera, you know, color night vision, custom activity zones. You know, it's all very, very similar stuff to the Essential camera, and you know, dual band Wi-Fi as well. So you can either, you know, your 2.4G or your 5G on this. So you know, little details there about what's in the box. But what we'll do is we will unpack it, and you guys can actually see. So right, so as I say, this is £750 approximately on Amazon UK at the moment. So I'm expecting something special within the box for that kind of money. It's roughly twice the price of the Essential camera system, and I'm sure not all of that cost is justified via the 4K cameras. So again, very, you know, if you've watched the unboxing video for the Essential camera system, very similar level of packaging and what's in there. So you've got your cameras there, 3 of those. They're all in the top of the box. So just take this insert out. More packaging, and we've got the instruction booklet. Just put that to one side. Okay, so what we've actually got in here then, which we didn't get with the Essential system, is a base station. So that's obviously an improvement. We'll take a look at that in a second. What else have we got? So destroy the packaging here. So we've got the usual mounting system here, and you know, charger cable. Again, looks very, very short in the same way that it did on the Essential system. Mounting system, again, identical to that on the Essential system. There is our charging plug, so that looks like that's going to have multiple adapters, which I'm guessing is this bit here. So Ethernet cable for your base station, and then we've got so we've got the various adapters here, and your power brick. So so obviously we've got power brick for, that'll be for the base station, and then we've got your charging brick for your cameras. Compared to the Essential system, that is an addition to the Essential pack, actually having your own charger for the cameras. So lots of bits there, and then what else have we got? So some European adapters there as well, and then okay, so these are magnetic mounts. So I find that quite interesting. Really, what we've actually got here then is we've got two different types of mounts for 3 cameras. I'm not a huge fan of the magnetic mounts, I must admit. You know, it makes them easy to remove your camera. I think, yes, you know, you can do the same kind of thing with these mounts, but you know, you can't easily just take them off. I think that's slightly disappointing, the fact that you didn't get 3 of those. I would imagine they would have actually been cheaper than these for Arlo to produce. I'm not sure why they've done that, but you're definitely going to have to think about, maybe where you're locating your cameras. Just to point out though, one thing I have noticed as I've been taking the cameras out, they do all have the mount hole on the back for that type of mount. So if you were able to get hold of third-party ones, you could actually use those. I don't think that's going to be a problem. So then we've got these batteries, and we've got 3 of them. So I am assuming these are for the cameras. It is a 4,800 milliamp hour battery, and a charging on that at 4.4 volts. So yeah, these are rated to last, or certainly what they've got is they've got these as being something which will last 6 months. In terms of the base station, so this is the big difference for me. As I say, the Essential system didn't come with a base station, and that's what reduces the cost considerably. These can go from between 150 to 200 odd pounds, these in the UK, and the main thing on this is that you've got the SD card slot on the bottom of it, and that, for me, if you want that offline storage and not really rely upon the cloud, storage is an essential thing. And if you watch my review of the Essential cameras, you'll see my feelings with regards to that. In terms of a home base, it looks okay. It's a lot larger than some of the other home bases I have seen with other third-party camera systems. The Blink home base is a very, very small home base. This is probably roughly the same kind of height as the Eufy home base, but is quite a little bit wider. But you stick this next to your router and you'd be done with it. So in terms of the cameras, then, very, very similar to the Essential cameras. There is obviously a couple of little differences. I think the main one is that it's a magnetic charging mount on it. I don't know whether you guys can actually see that there. There you go, camera's focused a bit better. Yeah, I mean, you wonder why. USB is perfectly good for it. I'm not sure that's a good idea personally, but yeah, I think that's just added to the overall cost of the product. But you've got that on all 3 cameras. Everything else though, obviously you take the cellophane off there, everything else looks identical really to the Essential camera. You've got your various detectors and spotlight LED on the front there, but yeah, it's the same quality in the you know, as in the Essential cameras, you know, nice glossy white. You can probably get these in black as well. To be honest, I haven't checked on that, but you know, you could with the Essential ones. You know, I will get this all set up and do a full review of the system and see whether it justifies the £750 price tag. So make sure you come back for the part 2, guys. You know, in the meantime, you know, if there's anything that you'd like to see in that review, you know, drop your thoughts down below in the comments, and I'll see if I can squeeze that in. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. You know, any questions, drop them down below in the comments. You know, have you got this system? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts about it as well. So, you know, be sure to comment about that. But, you know, don't forget to come back for part 2, where I've do a full review of this system and give you my thoughts on it. But as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.